Anyway, good morning. Greetings. We are gathered here to celebrate and witness the marriage of these couples, Christian and Mary Vic, and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. Sige po, ada kumontra ato yung wedding. Is there anybody here who knows all of any impediment of the marriage about to be contracted between this couple? Ada kumontra po? O let us continue tayo kayo. O sige. Marivic, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes.
Itong maging damin. Oh. Christian, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Very good. Sige nga duwa. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntarily. We do. Saan nyo man tayo naman yun? Anyway, sige, Christian, will you have Mary Vic to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Good. Mary Vic, will you have Christian to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Sige, sing-sing, pakirwarin. Muna ka, Christian, follow after me, bagam di baga. Alam di man ni asawa mo, okay? Follow after me, bagam di baga. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, suot mo. Okay? Sige, Marivic. Follow after me. Sige. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Isot mo. Kasi makasama. Sobrang maliit. May cutter. Sige. Sumangot na ito lang. Nataman ka doon. Sumangot. Ito lang. Sige, sumangot kayo. Nang anamit payo, kinwish tayo, dengan kasar. Namit kayo tibaga.
Most of all, congratulations, Marivic and Christian, bilang pangalay na kapatid. Ang advice ko lang sa inyo, sana may tiwala kayo, pag-unawahan at pag-ibigan sa bawat isa upang magtagumpay ng inyong pagsasama. Wala sana, pag may hindi pag-unawahan, sana ay lutasin ninyo para ito ay makakabuti din sa inyong pamilya. Yun lang at maligaya ng love.
Best wishes. Thank you all very much. Diba? Anamit kahit tibaga, wish in payo, in Christian humor. Thank you all. Thank you po sa mga kalikay. Nanganamit kahit yung ibaga, wish, in payo. Sige na. Sino? Alam mo, wish. In payo. Wish. Sige, thank you ha, ang damay. Very good. Next lang naman naman. Sige, sumangot na doon ha. Ikaw ang siya na Christian. Sa tamang galon. dapat na isurat nyo, vows or promise kay ang asawa. O, sige, from the heart lang ah, from the heart. O, sige. Kita mo ayos ni Christian yan. O, from the heart, no, anak, kaya mo ibaga kanya na. Promise mo as a wife. Thank you. Christian, kasamet lang. Ano naman promise mo sa iyong wife? Gawin lang siya man na. Okay? Follow after me, Christian. I hereby take you, Mary Vic, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Cement lang, Marivic. Follow after me. I hereby take you, Christian, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. By the virtues of the powers vested in me, by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as their witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cueresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambangan of Vizcaya, therefore confirm the vow of marriage which you have contracted, and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay. Sure. Okay, now, this is a bride. Wait.
Sino po mag-picture sa inyo po?
Okay. Sige, okay lang na. Tatlo, ala. Anyway, naging witnesses, ninong-nina, kapatid ng Samo, at witness yung pirmada. Najimit ni Aramedi na witness kayo. Ilan yung kasal?
Sa lang po. Perhaps,
Hindi nalagay sa DPW marriage.
ngayon mo?
Marriage. Sukatan nyo lang yung sing nagbilit. So, para sobrang sikip. Baka nagsukat kayo. Nagkapalit. Four copies. Diba? with the parents. With the parents. Ito ba si Ima?